Black's challenge here is trying to live, but the best result it can attain is a ko. So obviously, Black needs to try to save this stone right here. If it doesn't, then this is too easy for White. It'll be something like this, or this. Black will fail. Black connects, then White can just reduce Black's eye space, and Black will fail this way. If Black plays here, then White can reduce Black's eye space like this, or this. So Black will fail again. So now we have a few more to try. If Black plays this standing down move on the first line, this will become a challenge for White to kill Black. And it's not that easy. You can think about it on your own, and if you're ready, I can show you the correct answer. For White, it's this move right here. Black's strongest response is this. And now White needs to be really careful because there's only one move that will work. And that is right here. If Black plays this, then this will be a straight 3 pattern. If Black plays here, then White can throw in here. Black cannot connect. Black can only capture, and now White can make this eye into a fake eye. So after 2 and 4, Black is already dead. So similarly, when Black plays here, White does not play the ko. White can instead play this. And if Black plays here, we're back to the previous variation. Black will be dead this way. So that leaves us with this move. And that is the correct first move. If White plays on the outside, of course, Black can live this way. If White plays here, then this will be a ko, like this. Or White can play this. What Black needs to do is to play this. White attaries from the outside, and Black plays here. This will be another ko. Of course, there are other variations after Black's number 1 that you can try on your own, but those 2 are the main variations that can lead to a ko, and that's the best result Black can achieve in this problem. Thank you for watching.